Do you want to know how you can create this amazing house drawing by guiding the robot and making it follow your instructions? Let me tell you how. Hello future coders. Welcome back to another video from CodeRobo, where learning to code is fun. In this video we are going to continue our draw course with a series of basic drawing, and here we are going to complete our fourth mission, that is to draw a house. So let's get started and draw it. So here let's use the place pen block quickly, and as you can see we have to draw a rectangle, so we are going to use a loop in order to do that. So let's use forward by 8 steps, turn right by 90 again, move forward by somewhere around 6, which is going to be the shorter side, followed by turn right by 90. Now I don't want to write it for one more time. So here we'll be using the repeat block, and let's move this inside the repeat block, and instead of turn, we'll be removing it with 2. Once we are done with this, then we are going to move ahead and draw the remaining portion. So for that we will be using turn right by 90 degrees, followed by move forward 3 steps ahead, and then we are going to turn left by 90 followed by move forward 4, and after that we are going to work turn right 90 again, and then move forward. I'm just going to duplicate it from here. Instead of 4 I'm going to use 2, then turn right 90 again, turn right 90 and followed by 4. So let's just duplicate it from here, just to give our time. Then again turn left by 90, and followed by move forward, which is going to be 1 now, because I need to cover somewhere here 1, as we are ready to draw the door. Now after that, once we have turned it move forward, then we are going to make it turn 90 again. Followed by move forward, which is going to be 8, and then we are going to turn left, which is again going to be 30 degrees, then move forward by 6 steps this time, and once we are done we will be turning left by 120 degrees. And then move forward by 6 again. Let's duplicate this one. And now we are ready to draw the remaining portion, which is to draw the square. So for before moving it to the square portion, we will have to use the pickup pen. We will make sure that the robot does not draw anything. Then let's turn it left by 75 degrees, and then move forward a little bit, because it's going to be somewhere here, so we don't know the exact one. But of course it's going to be 1.7. Next we are going to turn it left by 45 degrees. Then we are going to use the place pen followed by. Now we are ready to draw the square. You will see the square is so small. So for that we will be using a repeat loop. Of course, we will just read this code for 4 times, followed by move forward 3 steps ahead, and then turn right by 90 degrees. Let's hit the button, and let's see how the work performs. The code that gets executed is getting highlighted. It is drawing the door and the square window. And voila, we have successfully completed the shape. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to CodeRobo.